Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to start HTML coding, how to learn how to learn HTML for beginners. HTML course for beginners. HTML tutorial engineer letters. How do I start HTML learning? How to learn HTML for free. Code Academy has numerous free programs to provide you with the technical skills you need. Learn HTML.org is a reliable source for everything you need to know about HTML. General Assembly Dash is a popular site to begin to learn these basics. The best way to learn HTML for free and why you should. Is HTML easy to learn for beginners? HTML for beginners, the easy way to start learning HTML and CSS. HTML for beginners. Check करने दे कितने लोडिंग लेना फिर. Welcome, you have found the easiest way to learn HTML and CSS. Welcome, you have found the easiest way to learn HTML and CSS. Creating your first HTML web page, adding content, how to close HTML documents, troubleshooting, other tutorial. Intermediate and advanced tutorial, HTML reference guides, HTML attributes reference guide, HTML cheat sheet, the HTML.blog, the HTML.com guide to web hosting. Improve your HTML skills. Whether you are a noise hopping to delve into the world of web designing or an experienced webmaster keen to improve your skills, we have got online tutorials. Thank you for watching my channel and thanks for watching these videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.